Hi everyone, this is Anshul here. In this video, I will make you learn inheritance in Java with real world examples. In Java, inheritance is one of the important features of object-oriented programming that allows us to create a new class from an existing class, or you can say an already available class. Here we have a definition of inheritance. The new class that is created is known as a subclass or child or derived class, and the existing class from where the child class is derived is known as a superclass or parent or base class. So here we can say like if you have subclass or superclass, so I am giving you the name, means what we can call to subclass and what we can call to superclass. So here we can call subclass derived class and child class, and to superclass we can call here parent class or base class, right? Here I have prepared a diagrammatical representation of inheritance. Here as you can see, a person is a superclass and a student is a subclass. Here faculty is also a subclass, and here in student part, BTech students are subclasses and MCA students are also subclasses, and in faculty side as you can see, Java faculties are subclasses or derived classes, and Python faculties also we can call derived classes, right? So here this is the diagrammatical representation of inheritance. Here you can see like a student can inherit all the properties of person class, like a person has eyes, nose and feet, everything, whatever means whatever properties a person contains, all the properties can student inherit. Okay, so this is main motto of the inheritance. It means here we can reuse the properties of superclass, right? In Java, inheritance is a relationship, right? In inheritance we call inheritance is a relationship, right? We use inheritance only if there exists an is a relationship between two classes. For example, here there are many examples I can show you. Like student is a person, means a student is a type of person, right? It means a person can be a student, can be a faculty, or can be a any type of like actor or like model or whatever we can say. A person can be any type of entity, right? And here a BTech student is a student, means here we have is a relationship in between BTech student and student, right? And here a car is a vehicle, it means car is a type of vehicle, so vehicle is a type of car. So here we are creating a is a relationship, right? And orange is a fruit, it means a fruit is a orange, right? So here we have multiple examples where you can learn and you can understand the is a relationship inheritance. So here students can inherit from person, car can inherit from vehicle, and so on, right? Why we use inheritance in Java? So first of all, we are using inheritance in Java for code reusability and for method overriding, and for so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. By inheritance we are achieving runtime polymorphism in Java. So here we have some important terms and terms used in inheritance, right? So what we call to class, a class is a group of objects which have common properties, and it is a template or blueprint of from which objects are created. And here we have some also keywords which we are using. So here I have a subclass, child class. So what is subclass and what is child class? If someone is asking you this type of question, you can give this type of example to them. So what is subclass? A subclass is a class which inherits the properties from other class. It is also called a derived class, right? And what is superclass? Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also. And now what is parent class or superclass? A superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the feature. It is also called a base class or a parent class. Okay, extend, and here we are using also an important keyword in inheritance is extends. Extends is a keyword that is used to inherit a superclass in subclass. Okay, now I will tell you types of inheritance in Java. On the basis of classes, there are 3 types of inheritance in Java, and in C we have 4 types of, in C++ we have 4 types of inheritance, right? So in Java we have 3 types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, second one is multi-level inheritance, and third one is hierarchical inheritance. And in Java, multiple inheritance we are achieving from interfaces, right? So in Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through inheritance only. We will learn about in an interface in next video. Now, what is single inheritance? When a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance. In example given below, student class inherits students class inherit person class, right? And here we have practical, means I have given some codings to understand so that students can easily understand how to code inheritance, right? So here as you can see we have person class and a person can eat, and here I have printed a message, and now we have subclass that is student, and it is extending person class, and it can also extend all the properties of a person, right? Person class. And then we have text class. It means it is a main class where our programming, compilation and running process starts from. Okay, so here we have I have created a student object, and now I have called these methods. Okay, so this is the single inheritance, and now I will go in multi-level inheritance. So what is multi-level inheritance in Java? When a class is inherit a class, and that inherited class again inherit its main type of class, there is a level of inheritance. Means a class is inheriting another class, and then another class inheriting another class, right? So then it is known as multi-level inheritance, as you can see in the example given below, right? A baby dog is inheriting the dog class property, which again inherits the animal class properties. Okay, so there is a multi-level inheritance. Here I have given you example also and diagram. So here is a diagram, so you can easily understand. A baby dog is inheriting dog properties, and a dog properties inheriting an animal type properties. Okay, because a dog is a animal type. And here I have given you coding example so that you can understand what is happening here. So as you can see, we have class type animal class, and then we have a method, and here we have dog class, and it is inheriting animal class. In this, baby dog is also inheriting dog class, right? And here we have main method, and we have called all the method here. So in next video I will give you practical implementation, and I will give the link in description box so that you can see how to implement this multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, and now we can go in hierarchical inheritance with example. When 2 or more classes inherits a single class, then it is known as hierarchical inheritance. An example given below, dog and cat classes inherits the animal class. So there is a hierarchical inheritance, right? As you can see in diagram, I have drawn this diagram for you so that you can easily understand. Here we have animal class, and here we have dog and cat. So dog is also inheriting animal type of property, and cat is also inheriting animal type of property. And here we have example with coding, right? So as you can see, this is the process of developing inheritance in Java. And in next video I will give you, in another video I will give you this examples also with coding and practical implementation. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. if you like it, and please share with your friends also. Thanks for watching this video.